How to determine the positive or negative pole of an electrical circuit using an electrical test pen. Equipment need electrical test pen in good working condition and safe to use. To electrical circuit with active power supply. First, ensure that the test pen you be using is in good condition and has function indicator. Second, before starting to use the test pen, make sure that the electrical circuit you will be testing is either turned off or on. Third, hold the test pen using appropriate handle. Next, place the metal end of the test pen into the holes on electrical circuit that you will be examining. Finally, when the LED light on the test pen illuminates, the indicator the positive pole, and when LED light does not illuminate, it indicates the negative pole.